I want every parent to find their child and just come and lay hands on them. And then what I would like you guys to do is I want the parents to right now speak a blessing. Whatever you ask the Holy Spirit now in your heart, Holy Spirit, what do you want to speak? And you're going to speak blessing over each and every one of your children. You're going to look them in the eyes as you speak this blessing. And you're going to tell them what the Lord has for them. And if you have, parents, listen to me carefully before we begin. If you have things that you need to confess to your child, if you have betrayed your child, if you have hurt your child in any way, form or fashion in the past, whether it's now or 10 years ago, if there is anything at all, now is the time to ask their forgiveness. Because look, the restoration of any relationship begins with the parents. It is your responsibility to now step in and break these chains in any relationship now, and you're going to speak blessing over them as the Lord puts on your heart. Okay, go ahead with that.